Rightio. Sorry about that. I don't know if you can see, but there. Impression. Let's say it's a taken. Just something missing. Oh, it's not an impression, it's actual coin. There you go. Maybe some sort of... I'm going to take maybe a penny. Try to get this one for you. No, it's a token. Got ironmonger there. Those words there. Your beauty. Yeah, sometimes you just wish it was this easy. Get out. And we have same. No, it's just a half penny. No, it's got... Oh no, it's an interesting one. It's got Victoria, but I think it might be a token one. Anyway, I'll clean that up and you can have a look at it a bit later. You can just see here. Britannia. A very young head Victoria. Interesting. Okay, I don't know if it's a shotgun or something, so have some sort of pattern on it there. There's a shield or something there. Something on the back. Like a pin. Another shield there too. That'll be an interesting one. Something holding on there. Very interesting. Lovely. Rightio. This one looks to me to be some sort of buckle. I've got a funny feeling it's going to be a snake buckle. Yeah. Interesting. How many times you see them sort of still connected like that? That's a nice one. See on the like swans or something like that. In the end there. Nice. Rightio, my folks. I believe we have a coin here. And that will be a token, I'd say. For sure. Nice one, tag on that. Half penny one. A coat of arms there and witches on the other side, but nice. Nice. I'll clean up nicely. Lovely. Gotta love tokens. Right out, just pulled this out, just with the farmer. This is a George the 4th, I think it's 1825 or 26 penny. So yeah, it was screaming signal, even down at 8 inches. Your beauty. There you go, not bad nick. Yeah, on the crown, with the... Anyway, it looks like a sixpence to me, but yeah, it's just an Australian sixpence. 1917. What the hell is that on here? Well worn. Hmm. There you go, there are silvers in here. And this is the second snake buckle for the day. Nice one. Didn't see the other bit of it, probably just off the edge. Nice one. Right-yo, now that is a big bit of copper. What is it, a Holloway token or something? Token of some descriptions, I'd say. Yeah, it's a big Holloway token. Oh no, actually it's Victorian penny. Sorry. There you go, Victoria. Beautiful.